Usually when you have such kind of holders, you'll see that there are these two holes, that is for the holder, or you all can add a charm. So basically today I'll be showing you how to make a bracelet kind of holder. Here I'm using the thin strands for crochet purpose. However, if you all want, you all can make use of yarn. So I have taken double rounds, as you can see on my finger. Now the first round, from the middle of it, I will pass my hook and pull out the second yarn, and this forms the first part of the formation of the crochet. There's my loop, and then I will keep working with this loop from here on. I won't be using the terminologies because I'm not quite well aware of them. However, in between I will be showing you how I am forming the knot and making the loops kind of stuff. So here I'm just doing a chain stitch with the crochet method. Now many of you all who know crochet know the terminologies. My chain stitch is done over here, as you can see. Now on the second chain I will put in my needle and pull out the yarn, and then pass it through both of the loops. This is taking a bit because the needle is fine. Again I will pass my hook through that same place and form a second knot. So in this way I will be moving forward to make the bracelet holder for my phone. So all you have to do is, in the gaps of those formed crochet knots, you will have to insert the hook and pull out your thread or yarn, and then form a single knot or a double knot or a triple one. So basically the hook style, the hook design, I am not trying to show you all that. I am just going to show you all how I am making the hook using this crochet method. If you all need a separate tutorial for crochet purpose, I can do that. Do let me know in the comments. However, this I am just showing you all how you all can proceed forward. So basically, if you can see from a chain stitch, I have formed a mini triangle, and I am working on that triangle with initially with 2 and then onwards proceeding to 4 knots, and all I have to do is work through those 4 knots. Now for me, I do not want a fatter bracelet. However, if you all want a fatter one, you all can increase it to more knots. So basically I am showing you part by part as I am done with making of this bracelet. Now when I come towards the end of making of this bracelet, I will keep decreasing the knots. Now increasing, decreasing, these all points, if you need, as I mentioned, you all will have to let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate tutorial. As you can see over here, all I have done as of now is pull the string through this hole. I'm done with my bracelet. I've pulled the string and just tied a normal knot. After you are done tying the knot, all you got to do is take your crochet hook or needle and just weave in the extra thread that is remaining out inside the knot that is formed, or inside the crochet stitches that are formed. You can just weave in your extra thread, so in that way it will remain secure. Now as you can see, I am done over here. I will just cut the excess of the string, and that's it. We are done with the bracelet. Now the end, you can either put a little glue or hot glue and just seal it up so it will not come off easily, and that's it. Here is how the hanging attachment is for my phone. I'm sure you all must have found this hack useful. Do share it with others. Do leave in your comments. Do like, and for more interesting hacks, if you haven't as yet subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe.